Good morning students. Today we are going to study about trigonometry. This is a class 10th topic and it's very easy. In trigonometry we study mainly about the right angle triangle. Let's take a right angle triangle first. See, here it is a right angle triangle. It has three components. First is perpendicular, which we can denote as P, then base, which we can denote as D, and then hypotenuse, which we can denote as H, and an angle theta. Theta angle comes in front of perpendicular, and the angle made between hypotenuse and base is called theta. In trigonometry, there are different types of ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Let's study out some of the ratios. First one is sine theta. So what is sine theta? Sine theta equal to perpendicular upon base. So P upon B. Sine theta is perpendicular upon base. Similarly, sine theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Now comes the other three ratios: cosec, sec, and cot. So cosec is just reciprocal of sine theta. So cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular. These are 6 common ratios, and every question that we are going to solve by using the 6 ratios. Let's see some other thing. We know that we can say that tan theta dot cot theta equal to 1. So what is tan theta? It is perpendicular upon base, and cot theta is base upon perpendicular. So it's 1. See, base cancel and perpendicular to perpendicular cancel. So it's equal to 1. Similarly, sin theta dot cosec theta is also equal to 1. Cos theta dot sec theta is also equal to 1. Now there are 3 more formulas, which are sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1, 1 plus tan squared theta equal to sec squared theta, and 1 plus cot squared theta equal to cosec squared theta. Let's see the proof of first. What is first? Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. Let's take LHS. What is sin squared theta? Sin squared theta equal to perpendicular square plus upon hypotenuse square. So it will be perpendicular square upon hypotenuse square. Similarly, cos squared theta equal to base square upon hypotenuse square. If we add these two terms, we will get perpendicular square plus base square upon hypotenuse square. By Pythagoras theorem, we know that perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. So it will be h square upon h square equal to 1. So we had taken the LHS side, sin squared theta plus cos squared theta, and proved it to is equal to 1. Similarly, we can prove these two things also. 1 plus tan squared theta equal to sec squared theta, and 1 plus cot squared theta equal to cosec squared theta. 1 plus tan squared theta equal to sec squared theta. Let's take LHS equal to 1 plus tan squared theta. So 1 plus, what is tan squared theta? It's perpendicular upon base. So 1 plus p square upon b square. If we take LCM, it will become b square plus p square upon b square. We know that perpendicular square plus b square equal to hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse square upon b square. So what is h square upon b square? H upon b equal to sec theta. So h square upon b square equal to sec square theta. The third one is 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So let's see, LHS equal to 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus, what is cot square theta? Cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular. So cot square theta equal to base square upon perpendicular square. If we take LCM, it will become p square plus b square upon p square, which will equal to h square upon p square or cosec square theta. To tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So what is the value of sin theta? Sin theta equal to p upon h. So it will be p upon h divided by b upon h. We know in division the second term reverse and we will put multiply sign in between. So it will be p upon h into h upon b. H to h cancel, the answer will be p upon b, which is the formula of tan theta. Let's do some other questions. If in a right angle triangle ABC, AB is equal to 3 and BC equal to 4, we'll find the value of all the trigonometric ratios, means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So we know it is a right angle triangle, right angle at B, this angle is theta. We have to find all the trigonometric ratios. So we know in right angle triangle hypotenuse equal to hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Hypotenuse equal to 5. If we solve it, 3 square equal to 9 plus 4 square equal to 16. 16 plus 9 equal to 25. And if we take square root of 25, it will be equal to 5. So what is the value of sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So the value of sin theta is 3 upon 5. Value of cos theta similarly 4 upon 5. Value of tan theta 3 upon 4. Value of cosec theta 5 upon 3. Value of sec theta 5 upon 4. Value of cot theta 4 upon 3. So we have studied the basic concepts of trigonometry. There are many useful things that we can do with trigonometry, like we can measure the distance between Earth and Sun. We can measure the distance between Sun and Moon and other planetary objects. We can also measure the height of Mount Everest and height of other tall buildings with using the trigonometry. These are the daily life usage of trigonometry.